Hello students. So in this tutorial we will learn SUMIF and COUNTIF as well. So let's see what is SUMIF. This is a sales. Basically in sales invoices there were all invoices listed in logical formulas. Here there is a particular name of a customer, its tax number, address, city and state, and now we want to get the sales of that particular customer. So total of all invoices made to that customer, we want that total over here. So for that purpose we are going to use SUMIF. So let's see what is SUMIF. SUMIF. So first syntax is range. It is asking for range where you are going to go and look. So I am going to look into this range. This is my list of customers. Now when I select this list of customers, comma, what am I supposed to find? I want to find this customer, Blessings and Blossoms Enterprise, because I want the sum of the invoices of Blessings and Blossoms Enterprise. That is my criteria. And then of which field? What is the sum range? My field is, this is my field. Of this field I want bracket complete, enter. So I get 26,000. So what is 26,000? It is sum of all invoices of Blessings and Blossoms Enterprises. So we need to just make this range absolute, F4. Again we will do this range absolute, F4, enter, and I do the autofill. So this is what SUMIF will do, and let's see what COUNTIF will. COUNTIF will count the number of invoices, count the number of cells. So COUNTIF. So COUNTIF is, this is my range. This is my range. And what I am going to count is, I want to count wherever this Blessings and Blossoms is coming in the range. So it comes to 3. So there are 3 invoices of Blessings and Blossoms Enterprises and its total is 26,000. So I will go and make this range absolute by pressing F4 and then B8. So B8, I don't need to make B8 as absolute because I want row to move. So this is what I got. So this is what is SUMIF and COUNTIF is there. I will check for Blessings and Blossoms whether there are 3 invoices. So at number 1 there is 1 invoice. This total is 5,000. Then again we go down. Its total is 11,000. 5 plus 11 is 16. And again I go down. It is 16 plus 10,000 is 26,000. So I got 26,003 invoices. So this is what SUMIF and COUNTIF does. So keep on learning and keep on watching. Thank you very much.